Bullish Dogelon Mars cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market examiners accept ELON could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers portray it as a fair all-inclusive money for individuals and an interplanetary cash utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital money yet, in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Unexpectedly, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this digital money has an enormous and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital currency guide will reveal all that you want to be familiar with Dogelon Mars and its highlights. By and by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars biological system. Dogelon Mars cryptographic money is known as ELON, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called ELON, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Poloniex offers the ELON USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars digital money has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars ELON expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a huge return. The organization then rose to the 150th situation with regards to showcase capitalization. There was no token presale in light of the fact that it is a fair widespread digital money. Subsequent to sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the leftover portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH matches, which will remain for eternity. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just build after some time. The Dogelon Mars Group showed that they wouldn't commit a carpet pull, a crypto trick in which designers siphon up the worth of their virtual money, pull back however much they can, and dump the venture by consuming the liquidity supplier token. The Dogelon Mars pioneers cannot do so on the grounds that they consumed the tokens they got for saving assets into the task. Maybe that is the justification for why Dogelon Mars presents itself as a venture pointed toward fixing the harm done by digital currency tricksters. Trick casualties are asked to give ELON tokens to the Dogelon Mars people group. How does Dogelon Mars work? Dogelon Mars is an Ethereum blockchain put together ERC20 token accessible with respect to Uniswap, which can be traded for other digital currencies. Most of holders keep it in a blockchain wallet, and some will give tokens to survivors of digital money tricks to help the local area's main goal. Dogelon Mars will be extended, as per the group. In late 2021, a venture declaration expressed that crypto marking would be accessible soon through another $XELON administration token. What's more, the designers are dealing with an NFT assortment. Dogelon Mars current cost. Dogelon Mars is as of now worth $0. ELON has moved 13.05% as of now with an exchanging volume of $67,391,553. Dogelon Mars is as of now positioned 124 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $248,646,615 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2022. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ELON cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Dogelon Mars ELON cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ELON will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ELON's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market unpredictability. ELON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. ELON might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ELON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0. 2024. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Dogelon Mars effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2025. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, ELON has a greatest value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help ELON needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028. While ELON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0. 2028. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Dogelon Mars will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ELON cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And, as indicated by Dogelon Mars cost expectation, future costs will be bullish, and Dogelon Mars will be a wise venture. In any case, ELON's development not set in stone by the condition of the market at that point, as there is no connection between the Dogelon Mars ongoing worth and its future cost. It is, nonetheless, subject to the variables that arise during the market's development and improvement stage. These are the elements that